Everybody keeps asking, how do I make more money in 2026? But the real question is, why are so many Americans working harder than ever and still falling behind? Today, I'm going to break down the new rules of earning money based on real economics, real psychology, and real opportunities that exist right now in the United States. If you understand these rules, the next 5 years will be the biggest opportunity of your life. Why most people are losing the US is going through the biggest transformation since the Industrial Revolution. Inflation is high, housing is out of reach for most people, and AI is replacing jobs faster than universities can update their textbooks. But here's the secret. This isn't a crisis. It's a shift. And if you understand the shift, you can get ahead of 95% of people. Today, I'll show you the 3 ways Americans will build wealth from 2026 to 2030, according to economists, billionaires, and researchers like Morgan Housel, Robert Kiyosaki, and Ray Dalio. The psychological trap keeping Americans broke. Morgan Housel said, "Wealth is what you don't see." That means not the car, not the shoes, not the apartment, not the lifestyle. Instagram wants you to copy. Americans are drowning in credit card debt, buy now, pay later, emotional spending, lifestyle, inflation, subscription traps, a culture of "I need it now." But here's the truth nobody likes to hear. You don't get rich by working more. You get rich by reducing your financial pressure, so you can take bigger opportunities. Wealth starts with margin, space to think, breathe, and invest. And here's the statistic. The average American with $400 in savings will never start a business, invest, or take a risk, because their daily life is a financial emergency. So if you want more money, the first step is not earning more. It's building a buffer, so your brain stops operating in survival mode. Because survival mode kills opportunity. Why some will rise and others will fall. Economist Tyler Cowen calls it the Great Bifurcation. AI won't destroy jobs equally. It will destroy tasks, not roles. And the people who survive are those who know how to use AI-built systems, not ours. Combine creativity plus technology. Sell something. Even small understand leverage. Here's a fact. One AI tool makes you as productive as 4 to 7 regular workers. This is why companies aren't hiring. They're automating. But here's the opportunity. Tools like Claude, 11 Labs, Agentforce 360, Zapier AI, Runway, Midjourney, and OmniScript let you build online businesses, automate freelancing, create content at scale, launch no-code apps, sell digital products, run one-person companies. The highest-earning Americans in 2026 to 2030 won't be smartest. They'll be the ones who adapt fastest. The winners won't be replaced by AI. They will replace others by using AI. After analyzing 2,000 American self-made millionaires, economists found 3 common paths. Path 1, entrepreneurship, digital plus AI era. You don't need an office, employees, or capital. You need a skill and an audience. Examples anyone can start. AI automation agency, content production. Agency, UGC content. Online coaching. TikTok, faceless channels. SEO micro-niche websites, Shopify plus AI tools. App building with no-code, AI. This path uses leverage, your time times, technology times, distribution. Path 2, investment, small but consistent. US studies show people who invest $150 to $300 per month in index funds for 10 years end up in the top 15% of wealth. Not because of talent, because of compounding. The rich don't save money. They deploy money. Path 3, skill stacking. The real cheat code. Every high-income American has stacked skills. Example. Stack, AI writing video editing. Sales automation, personal branding. Psychology storytelling. The more skills you stack, the more rare you become. Rarity equals money. The real problem, most people won't start. People think their problem is money. But the real problem is fear. Fear of failing. Fear of looking stupid. Fear of wasting time. Fear of starting too late. But here's the truth. You are already losing time, not starting. The world changed. The economy changed. Opportunity changed. Your strategy must change too. The old American dream is gone, but a new one is rising. Digital, global, AI-powered. And if you apply these new rules of money, not only will you survive this economic shift, you will thrive in it. If you want more videos like this, real economics, real psychology, real money strategies, subscribe to Daily Dose of Money, and I'll show you the roadmap to financial freedom.